Welcome! Today, we'll explore how wit, vision, empathy, and innovation come together in one story. The story of Lew Corcoran, the modern polymath of wit and vision. Benjamin Franklin once flew a kite to catch lightning. Today, Lew flies drones to capture listings. Mark Twain skewered society with wit and satire. Lew skewers cluttered rooms with parody and laughter. Leonardo da Vinci fused art and science. Lew does the same by blending staging, photography, drones, virtual tours, and floor plans into clarity. Dorothea Lange captured resilience and humanity in her photographs. Lew captures pride, hope, and joy in every staged home and client story. Together, these voices form Lew's archetype, the wit of Twain, the vision of Da Vinci, the empathy of Lange, and the community spirit of Franklin. Franklin reminds us that innovation isn't just invention, it's connection. Mark Twain said, "Humor is mankind's greatest blessing." Lew channels that blessing. Da Vinci believed curiosity was the key to mastery, and Lew embodies that curiosity. Lange showed us that every image carries a story. Lew's photography, floor plans, and virtual tours do the same. Together, these voices converge. Lew Corcoran is Franklin's innovator, Twain's satirist, Da Vinci's visionary, and Lange's storyteller. Lew is not just selling homes. He's building legacies, telling stories, and sparking joy. Together, let's keep blending wit, vision, empathy, and community while elevating stories, sparking joy, and building legacies. Thank you for watching.